5 Business Plan Myths, Debunked. In the world of entrepreneurship, few tools are as fundamental as the business plan. Yet despite its importance, numerous myths and misconceptions surround the process of creating one. And these myths can deter aspiring entrepreneurs from crafting the roadmap they need for success or lead them astray in their planning efforts. Myth 1. Many believe that business plans are solely for new ventures looking to secure investment, but this couldn't be further from the truth. While it's true that a well-crafted business plan is crucial for attracting investors, its value extends far beyond fundraising, and established businesses use plans for strategic direction, market expansion, and performance tracking. A business plan is a versatile tool that clarifies your business model and value proposition, sets clear goals and strategies for achieving them, identifies potential challenges and opportunities, aligns team members around a common vision. The Startup Business Model Generator recognizes this versatility because it offers customizable templates and guidance for businesses at all stages, from fledgling startups to established enterprises looking to pivot or expand. By using this tool, you're not just creating a document for investors, you're crafting a comprehensive strategy for business success. Myth 2. The idea that longer equals better when it comes to business plans is a persistent myth. But in reality, the most effective business plans are often concise, focused, and to the point. Investors, partners, and even you as the business owner don't have time to wade through hundreds of pages, because what's crucial is that your plan clearly communicates your business model, market opportunity, competitive advantage, and financial projections. Key elements of an effective, concise plan include a compelling executive summary, clear description of products or services, well-defined target market, realistic financial projections, specific actionable strategies. The Startup Business Model Generator excels at helping you create lean, mean business plans, where it guides you through the essential components, ensuring you include all necessary information without unnecessary fluff. And the result is a focused, impactful plan that respects your reader's time while effectively communicating your business vision. Myth 3. A common misconception is that a business plan is a one-and-done document. In reality, an effective business plan is a living document that evolves with your business. Markets change, new competitors emerge, and your business will grow and adapt. So your plan should reflect these changes. And regular reviews and updates ensure your plan remains a relevant, useful tool for guiding your business decisions. Benefits of regularly updating your plan include staying aligned with current market conditions, tracking progress against goals, identifying new opportunities or threats, maintaining relevance for potential investors or partners. The Startup Business Model Generator makes ongoing planning a breeze. With its user-friendly interface and updatable sections, you can easily revise your plan as your business evolves. Myth 4. Many entrepreneurs shy away from financial projections, believing they're nothing more than wild guesses. However, while it's true that you can't predict the future with 100% accuracy, well-researched financial projections are far from mere guesswork. Effective financial projections are based on thorough market research, realistic assumptions about costs and revenues, historical data for existing businesses, industry benchmarks and trends. These projections serve as a financial roadmap, helping you understand your business's potential profitability, cash flow needs, and break-even point. Myth 5. Many aspiring entrepreneurs are intimidated by the idea of writing a business plan, believing it requires extensive business knowledge or an MBA. But this myth often prevents great ideas from ever making it to paper. The truth is, while business expertise can be helpful, it's not a prerequisite for creating a solid business plan, and what's most important is a clear understanding of your business idea, willingness to research your market and industry, ability to articulate your vision and goals, openness to learning and seeking advice when needed. The Startup Business Model Generator is designed to level the playing field, making expert-level business planning accessible to everyone. It provides step-by-step guidance, explains business concepts in plain language, and offers templates and examples to help you craft each section of your plan. Conclusion. By debunking these myths, we hope to encourage more entrepreneurs to embrace the business planning process, because a well-structured business plan is not just a document for investors, It's a powerful tool for clarifying your vision, setting goals, and charting a course for success. The Startup Business Model Generator addresses each of these myths head-on, and it provides a flexible, user-friendly platform for creating and updating your business plan, regardless of your business type or level of expertise. By simplifying the process and providing expert guidance, it empowers entrepreneurs to create plans that are not only investor-ready, but also valuable for ongoing business management. If you are fascinated by how blockchain and NFTs are transforming the world and want to know more, you can't miss this exclusive video. Click now to find out more about this revolution and stay up to date on the latest trends and innovations in the sector.